devotion helps me because by doing it, I know God is always with me. Sa buhay po kasi naming mga estudyante, we encounter a lot of problems, a lot of temptations. But because there is the Bible, we are always guided. Saka pag nag-devotion ako, kinakausap ako ni God na parang magulang ko lang. He teaches me what to do, He warns me, He corrects the wrong things in my life, and He guides me.
But devotion, I'm using it as a tool, diba? I'm using it as a tool kasi yun nag-i-improve po siya, nade-develop, and then yung faith ko po, lalo po siyang tumatatag. Kasi the more na nagbabasa po ako ng Bible, more information po yung nalalaman ko about Him. And then yung relationship ko po between me and Him po is nag-grow pa po siya. Going stronger pa po siya.
Devotion helps me to do good works in my everyday lives. Devotion is more important than anything because I want to communicate with God every day. And dahil dito, natatanong yung mga tanong ko and consciousness ko sa araw-araw na ginagawa ko. And without devotion, I feel my life is nonsense and I feel I'm incomplete.
I do my devotions before I sleep as much as possible every day.
I do my devotion at home before I sleep because that's the quiet time I want.
I'm doing it in our home and ginagawa ko po siya before going to bed. Bago po ka matulog, ginagawa ko po siya. And then after ko po siya mabasa, at yun po, after ko po mag-devotion, kinabukasan, i-apply ko po siya, then gagawin ko po siya, and i-share ko rin po siya sa iba.